open in about 50 seconds here or so. You can see what a bounce off of TLT. Let me see a show of hands. I know there were some sellers of our put spread. Okay, 130 in paper, Mike, is different than the live fill. I know there were some sellers in TLT. I did not get it. I know there were a few at 42 cents, a couple at 40 cents. Let me know, because pretty strong rally there in TLT. So I will certainly help you manage that. There's supposed to be some news coming out here shortly, imminently, from China regarding the whole tariff issue and the proposed phase 1 deal here. So